everybody. This is Fuzzy, this is Dad, this is Sarah sleeping. Erica's gonna tell the miraculous story.
Alright!
Let's go!
Okay, me and Marcus are sitting there, right? And we're like, dude, we gotta smoke Marissa's alien fucking bowl. And I was like, alright. I was like, I'll be right back. Alright, literally like 2 seconds I ran in the bathroom. I was like, I unscrewed the little thing for the
drain?
Sink.
Yeah!
Like
at the top? Yeah!
All you do is unscrew
Marcus?
them.
Yeah,
So I unscrewed it, right? And I take out the screen. I was like, I got it.
Ah.
Right? Watch this. There's two in there. I grabbed one.
No, there's two fucking
Just
screens
wait.
in
I
there?
grab one. I go out there,
lost it in
right?
5 seconds.
I give it to Marcus. I was like, all right, put it in
I
there.
lost it in 5
I go
seconds.
back to the sink, screw it up again, and then I go back and he's like, I don't know where I put it. I lost it. So I had to go grab the other one. So like, when the
I gotta see this.
Laurel's sleeping, standing up. Let me replay this.
Laura's sleeping!
She's gonna fall down.
She is fucking sleeping right now. I wanna like move her glasses so bad. Can I try to move her glasses? Wait. Hey Laura! What's up? Ah! Okay, finish the story.
Marcus and Danielle. Wait, just wait. So Marcus and Danielle come downstairs and like, oh, Laurel must be up because she's not passing on the couch, right? All of a sudden they hear snoring coming from the bathroom. So they open the bathroom door, the lights off. Laurel's sitting on the toilet with her pants down. She fell asleep on the toilet drunk with her pants down in the dark. And so Laurel had to shake her to get her up and tell her to like go back on the couch. And she's like, dude, that's just one of those things you just gotta forget about. I'm never fucking forgetting that shit.
She's still sleeping.
But let me finish the story. Where did I leave off?
I don't know,
Where
man.
Marcus forgot about the first.
Yeah.
Well, so I went back. I got the second screen and like I was pushing in there all nice, and I took a hit, and I was like, fucking off. I was like, I gotta tell Marissa that she got a new screen. I know.
Sarah, wake up.